Hey guys, I'm Aditya Kashyap and today we will start Indian Contract Act 1872 question and answer session. So hope you will like it. So please join the session and be the part of this beautiful family. Hmm. चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं है ना इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 previous year question. The interpretation clause of Indian Contract Act 1872 has been provided in जो इंटरप्रिटेशन क्लॉज है इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट का वो किस सेक्शन में प्रोवाइड है ये प्रोवाइड है सेक्शन 2 में लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर क्वेश्चन द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट कैम इनटू फोर्स ऑन किस ईयर इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फोर्स में आया था तो इट केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 1st of September 1872 1st of September 1872 Indian Contract Act came into force. The Indian Contract Act was enacted in the year. This act was enacted in the year 1872 and it came into force on 1st September 1872. The juristic concept of contract consists of consists of offer and acceptance. The juristic concept of contract consists of what? Offer and acceptance, right? The law of contract essentially determines the circumstances in which a promise legally binding on the promisor. This option is correct. What? The law of contract essentially determines the circumstances in which a shall be legally binding on the promisor. Now, another question. Offer or proposal. What offer or proposal is defined in which section of Indian Contract Act? So, offer and proposal is defined in Section 2A of Indian Contract Act. Section 2A of Indian Contract Act define offer and proposal. So, this is the right answer related to offer and proposal regarding Indian Contract Act Section 2A. Remember कर लेना. A proposal is defined under Section 2A of the Indian Contract Act 1872 is what is this? This is मतलब this question definition of proposal. So willingness to do or abstain from doing an act in order to obtain the assent of other thereto. This is क्या? Proposal. What proposal? Under section 2A? Section 2A state that willingness to do or abstain from doing an act in order to obtain the assent of other thereto. This is proposal. The starting point of an what is the starting point of an agreement? The starting point of an agreement is offer, right? Now move on to question number 4. The display of article in a showroom with price amount to what it means. Of article in a showroom with price amount to, this means it is an invitation to offer. What? It is an invitation to a display in the showroom regarding the price. What is this? This is an invitation to offer. When a man advertises that he has stock of books to sell, he is making what he is making. He is making an invitation to offer, right? What he is making? He is making an invitation to offer. When a man advertises that he has stock of books to sell, he is making an invitation to offer. Right. Now move on to another question. When goods are displayed in a shop window with the price tag attached to them, the offer comes from the comes from the customer. Okay. When a goods are displayed in a shop window with a price tag attached to them, the offer comes from because the offer comes obviously this the offer comes from customer because the price tag is what? It is just an invitation to offer. So the offer comes from customer, right? Let's move on to the another question. Which of the following is an offer? What is an offer? So, a bid at an auction sale. What? A bid at an auction sale is an offer. Tender. What is tender? Tender, an invitation to offer. This is tender. Okay. An advertisement of auction is. What is an advertisement of auction called? It is called as invitation to offer, right? An advertisement of auction is an invitation to offer. Let's move on to the another question. An advertisement in a newspaper inviting tender. An advertisement in a newspaper inviting tender is what it is. It is just an invitation for proposal. Okay. What देखो offer, but an advertisement in newspaper inviting tender. Inviting what? Tender. This is invitation for proposal. Okay. An offer can be made to. Offer can be made to a particular person, a particular class, world at large. सबको किया जा सकता है ऑफर क्या है ऑफर कैन बी particular person, particular class of person, or world at large. Hmm. Okay guys, so so an offer can be made to a particular एक ऑफर किससे मेड किया जा सकता है एक पार्टिकुलर पर्सन से भी किया सकता है पार्टिकुलर क्लास ऑफ पर्सन से भी ऑफर किया जा सकता है और वर्ल्ड एट लार्ज से भी ऑफर किया जा सकता है ठीक है सो सभी हो जाएंगे ऑप्शन एन ऑफर मेड टू अ पब्लिक एट लार्ज इज कॉल्ड व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड इट इज कॉल्ड अ जनरल ऑफर when an offer is made at public at large then this offer is called a general offer okay in the following cases which case रिलेटेड टू जनरल ऑफर देखो जनरल ऑफर का केस कौन सा था तो लालमन सुब्रा वर्सेस इसमें भी ये भी एक एग्जांपल ऑफ जनरल ऑफर क्योंकि उसका जो था बच्चा मिसिंग था सो ही मेड जनरल ऑफर की जो भी खोज के ला देगा ही विल प्रोवाइड 500 रुपीज दिस इज अ जनरल ऑफर कार्लिल वर्सेस